In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and fix any issues you might be having with your Wise app. Let's ensure your app is up to date and running smoothly so you can enjoy a seamless experience. First things first, let's check if your Wise app is updated. We want to make sure you have the latest version because updates often include important bug fixes and enhancements. So start by heading over to the Play Store on your device. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top to type in Wise. You'll see the app appear in the search results, and this is where you can find out if there's an update available. If you see an update button, go ahead and tap it. Wait until the update is fully installed and then try logging in again. If this resolves the issue, you're good to go. However, if updating your app doesn't solve the problem, don't worry. We've got another solution for you to try. Now, navigate to your phone's settings where we will perform a few more steps to clear this up. Scroll down the list of options available until you find the Apps section. Go ahead and select it. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all the applications currently installed on your device. Use the search bar here and type in Wise again. Once you've located it, tap on it to open the app settings. Now you'll want to focus on the storage options for the app. Look for the option labeled Storage and tap it. What we're going to do here is clear out some of the app's data to remove any potential issues that might be lurking. First, click on Clear Data. This will remove all stored data that might be causing interference. After that, go ahead and click on Clear Cache to wipe any temporary files that could also be part of the problem. Once these steps are completed, you can exit out of settings. Now it's time to return to your Wise app and try logging in again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any problems with your app, allowing you to use Wise without any further hassle. This approach is a great way to tackle app-related issues in general, not just for Wise, and keeping your apps updated and clearing cache regularly can contribute to longer-term device and app health. That's how you fix Wise. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this video was helpful. If you found it beneficial, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips like these. Keep exploring, and until next time, have a great day.